In this video, I describe how to use a very useful tool or device I picked up in computer programming class, something called a flowchart, which gives a visual display of a procedure. I'm going to use that to help me determine the existence and location of horizontal asymptotes. In this first problem, up here, f of x, 3x squared plus 10x plus 8 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. First step says compare the degrees of numerator and denominator. So I start off, I ask, is the bigger power in the numerator? In this case, comparing 2 versus 2, the answer is no. So I follow the no to my next page and follow no here. Is the bigger power in the denominator? That's also no. So I follow this route. The horizontal asymptote is the ratio of leading coefficients. Let's see what they were. The 3 upstairs, the implied 1 downstairs, my horizontal asymptote is 1, y equals 3. Let's try its neighbor. Start at the top, compare the degrees of numerator and denominator. That's x to the first upstairs, x to the second downstairs. 1 versus 2. Is the bigger power in the numerator? That's no. I click here for no. I go to my no connection. Is the bigger power in denominator? Yes, it is. The horizontal asymptote here, y equals 0. Let's try the next one. (2x minus 3x squared divided by 2x squared minus x minus 3. Where's the bigger power this time? Let's see. It's 1 upstairs versus 2 downstairs. Bigger power in numerator, no. I follow no. To here, is the bigger power in denominator? Yes. Horizontal, y equals 0. Let's see one more, and I think you get the hang of it. Here the degree upstairs is 2, the degree downstairs is also 2. Is the bigger power in numerator? No. Follow my no connection. Is the bigger power in the denominator? No. So I go to the ratio of the leading coefficients, and they are minus 2 over positive 2. That reduces to y equals negative 1. Let's try one more. 2x squared plus 8 over minus 2x minus 8. Let's go to my flow chart. Bigger power in numerator, yes. In this case, what's this question? Degree of p of x, which is my numerator, does that equal the denominator plus 1? Yes, it does. So I follow the yes arrow, and I don't get a horizontal asymptote, but a slant or oblique asymptote. And that takes a little more work to determine. And one more. F of x equals 3 over x minus 8. The power or the degree upstairs is actually 0, and the degree downstairs is 1. Let's go to my flowchart. Bigger power in numerator, no. Follow no to bigger power in denominator. That actually is yes. So my follow the yes, y equals 0. And that's how, in this case, this visual display helps me deal with a math issue.